will. They got this all blocked off. They're putting in cement in front of a little resort here. So I can turn around here, okay? This is how they build highways and roads out here in the country. Just a cement mixer and a little crew. Hey guys, how you doing? Very nice. Very nice. I remember what this was like 20 years ago. Pretty bad. Nice cement mixer. Look at that. It's huge. Yeah, this is where the little resort's at down here. It's also bamboo out in the water. Very cheap. Good place to go swimming. Nice and safe. Looks like they're all cleaned up. Maybe they're done for the day. One thing they do here, they run their cement really wet. And they really pay for it by the amount of the time that it lasts on top. Just the top of roads off the roads in no time at all. Just a piece of wood float. Primitive, but it works. That house there is kind of built back into the side of the hill. That's pretty nice. Got an air conditioner on and everything. Got some generators. Almost look like welders or something up on top. No, I guess that's cases of bottles, I guess. Sure is nice down here though. Being by the water. funny thing is you don't see any interesting stones here at all. Most of these stones have been dumped here to hold the bank. Now back in the 40s and 50s, this was all coral reefs, all the way out across here. About 3/4 of the way across is a 100-foot channel that goes the whole length from Talaboon to Tafi. I don't know if it was blasted out or it was a natural channel or what. And then the other side, over there by the islands, that's all coral reefs over there. This side here, from all the mountains up here, have all silted in from the, I think it was back in the 50s. The government sold all the jungle. This was all jungle here, as far as you can see in any direction. And they sold all the teak trees and stuff to the Japanese. Made millions of dollars for the few that sold it to the government people. Look at that weird little boat there. Isn't that strange? High sides on it. Alright, that's all I got, guys. Take care. Be safe.
Thanks for watching. Take care.